everyone, my name is Desola. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. I'm an African-inspired ready-to-wear fashion designer based here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've been in business for over 10 years. So here on my channel, I talk about being a fashion designer, starting a fashion business, starting a ready-to-wear business, starting a clothing business, all things fashion, and sometimes, once in a while, I talk about my life. So here in today's video, I'll be talking about why people quit their fashion businesses. One of the reasons why people quit their fashion businesses, and it's more of answering a question I got asked. So I was given the opportunity to speak to a group of women who are into fashion businesses, and after speaking to them during the Q&A, one of the questions I was asked, and that question really stood out to me, and I became really passionate about answering her question. So basically her question to me was that she started a fashion business. She had taken a loan to start the fashion business, and it's been a year, or it's been some time basically. She has started this fashion business. It's a ready-to-wear business. She hasn't made any sale whatsoever. Her time is running out. She needs to return this money to whoever it is that she has borrowed this money from, and now her family and her friends are telling her to shut down the business and sell all her equipment so that she can pay this loan back. And when I heard this question, my heart went out to her. I know what it feels like. I know what it can be to run a fashion business, whatever kind of fashion business it is, whether it is ready to wear, whether it is made to measure, or even any type of business whatsoever, and you are not making sales. It is one of the most gut-wrenching things that can happen to an entrepreneur. It is very discouraging. It is very unmotivating. It can even cause depression if you're not even careful. So it's not a good place to be. And I can already even imagine her mental state at this point in time. And then people now having to tell you that shut the business down, sell everything that you have or you've used to start the business so that you can pay this money back. When you were starting this business, you were so excited. You were so happy. You thought maybe, oh my goodness, this is it. You know, people are going to buy. I have the talent. I have what it takes. You know, everything is just going to go well. But the thing is, the reality of life is that we propose different ideas, but things just don't work out the way we want them to. It's very painful, and even as I'm speaking right now, I've been there before. Actually, I've been there before. Many years ago, I've been there before. But you know what? You know what I said to this lady? I said to her, I said, what are you doing in terms of marketing your business? Because a lot of people start businesses and they think their family and their friends are their target customers or their target audience. But the reality of it is that your family and friends are not your customers. They may encourage you, they may assist you, but they are not your customers. Your customers are out there. And how are you reaching them? They are the people that can give you the money to run this business. How are you reaching them? How are you putting your products or your fashion business services in front of them? I said to her, you're not marketing your business enough. I know it's harsh, but you're not marketing it enough. You need to go out there You need to go and market the life out of this business. Things are a lot easier these days. You have social media. When I first started, there was no social media. We had Facebook, and Facebook was just for connecting with old school friends here and there, cousins I've not seen in donkey years. But now you have social media. Social media will do literally everything. Market your business. Even when I first started, we had flyers. You go on the road and you're handing out flyers. There used to be a lot of fashion exhibitions then. They were not very expensive. You go fashion exhibitions and put your name out there. But now it's a bit unfortunate, there's still a lot of exhibitions, but I learned that the money they charge is so much. But apart from those types of exhibitions, there are other exhibitions that you can attend. Put your business out there. Market your business on social media. How are you showing up for yourself? How are you showing up for your business on social media? You have some people when they say, I posted on my social media platform and I didn't get any engagement. I posted on my social media platform and I got only 2 likes, I got 5 likes, I got 10 likes. People are not responding. The thing about social media is that you need to be consistent. You need to be really, really consistent. Consistency is the key. Consistency is even more important than whatever talent that you have. Because the more consistent that you are, the more whatever platform you are, name it. YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, name it. Whatever social media platform you're on, the more consistent you are, the more the platform is going to push out your posts. And the more people will see your post. And when people see your post, you don't expect them to engage with you the first time they see you. They have to see you a couple of times to build trust. To build trust with your brand, with you, so that they don't think you're about to scam them. Because there are a lot of scams online, actually. People need to see you. People need to see your business. See your business consistently over a period of time. A period of time doesn't have to be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. No. It could be a short period of time, but consistently. And even in a long period of time, you still need to continue to be consistent with your posts and the way in which you promote your business. This is one of the ways that you can market your business. You need to go out there more often. Go out there and put the word out there about your business. So the thing is that you find some people, it happened to me as well, where you are afraid or you are shy. Maybe somehow a little bit ashamed of what you are doing, and then you're not really willing to tell people what you're doing. If you're doing fabulous work, if you're doing something really, really good, don't let anybody lie to you. Don't let anything in your mind lie to you. Show up as fabulous as you are and let it be known. This is what I do. This is, not going to be, Auntie, you have not bought from me. You have not bought from, when I just come and buy from, no. That's not what I'm saying. That is actually very irritating. I hate when people do that. It's actually really, really irritating. Go out there, show up for your business. Let people know what you are doing. Apart from showing up for yourself on social media, go out there physically. Because the thing is that word of mouth is very important. Word of mouth is even more important than any marketing strategy. It's the most important. And it's very old. The oldest marketing strategy, word of mouth. Word of mouth is very, very, very powerful. And when you have customers, as a new business, when you have customers, I'm not saying you suck up to them, but you treat them fairly. Treat them well so that they can come back. Because you know what happens? In the long run, these customers, your repeat customers, are the ones that would make your business stand. I can remember after the pandemic, 2021, it was really a really, really tough time, especially, coming out of the lockdown, towards the end of the year, the new year starts 2021, the whole year was really, really tough. But you know what kept me standing? My old customers, old customers coming to do repeat purchase, repeat transactions with me. They contributed more to my business than the new ones. The new ones are good, but one thing is when you have those new customers, you have to nurture them very well. You need to show up for your business. You need to show up for a business by marketing your business. Don't feel too proud. And please don't compare yourself to other people. When you start comparing yourself to other people doing the same business or doing whatever business it is that you're doing, you're killing yourself slowly. Oh, this person posted one post and she got 1 million views, 1 million likes, whatever it is, stats. Even if you got 100 views, you will notice that by the time you post consistent, after a while, it will no longer be 100 views, it will be 500 views. Continue to be consistent, it will become 1,000 views. You need to start to believe in yourself, believe in your work, because no one else is going to believe in you. When you start to believe in yourself and in whatever it is that you can do and how you are showing up for your business, people will start to believe in your business and people will start to resonate with your business and be willing to be part of your business and your brand. So my video for today is done. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon.